What's up, YouTube? Jeff, your Style O.G. And on today's video, I've got a lookbook showing you 5 different ways how you can wear a pair of brown sneakers. If you're new to the channel, we release a new video every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday at 4 p.m. Eastern, discussing various men's lifestyle topics such as style, grooming, dating. I invite you to subscribe, tap the notification bell, and join us. And to my returning friends like Robert Kachia, salute. Now, when it comes to sneakers, especially when we're talking about the minimal type, most of us tend to have black and white pretty much covered. But I think a color that's pretty underrated and I think guys should wear more often are brown sneakers. And I found myself over the last couple years reaching for them more and more. And I find brown sneakers especially useful in situations where I might ordinarily reach for a brown loafer, a wingtip, or even a double monk strap. So in today's video, I want to show you just how versatile that brown sneaker can be. I've got 5 different looks, some dressier, some casual, and some in between, that'll show you just how often you can reach for that brown sneaker and do it in a stylish way. So without any further delay, let's get into this lookbook showing you how you can rock those brown sneakers. Now, for our first look of the day, I want to give you a perfect illustration of an outfit where you normally might reach for a loafer or a wingtip, but you can easily rock a brown sneaker instead. As in this look, I have a great dark brown monochromatic brown sneaker with some dark denim and a crew neck sweater. Of course, this is a classic outfit that looks great on everyone, especially when you add the contrast of the white dress shirt under the sweater. Now, of course, this is a look I easily could have worn a brown dress shoe instead, but this brown sneaker holds up pretty well in my opinion, especially when you pair the light brown in the sweater with the dark brown of the sneakers. A great range of browns in this look. Cool, casual, classic, but still very put together. You definitely can rock your dark denim or crew neck sweater and your white dress shirt with your brown sneakers. Now, for our second look of the day, I wanted to show you how you can rock your brown sneakers and dress down one of your favorite suits, especially when it's a more casual, unstructured suit like I'm rocking here. As for this look, we switched out the dark brown sneakers and brought in a lighter brown pair. Now, one of the keys to getting away with wearing a suit and sneakers has a lot to do with the type of suit. As you can see here, I've got a more relaxed casual suit. A combination cotton linen blend suit that's unstructured. No structure in the shoulders, no padding, making this a more casual suit by nature. That way, when you're dressing it down with a pair of sneakers, it comes off much better than a traditional suit. And of course, adding a little bit more of a relaxed look to the suit, thrown on a simple gray t-shirt underneath. This is one of my favorite warm weather looks I've been rocking for years. Dressing down that suit, adding a little more versatility and a relaxed nature to it, can't go wrong with your brown sneakers, an unstructured suit, and a simple t-shirt. Now, an absolute must when it comes to rocking brown sneakers, especially if you're gonna wear them in situations where you might ordinarily wear a pair of dress shoes, is to make sure you're wearing some with premium leather and superior craftsmanship, like the ones made by today's video sponsor, Koio, who not only sponsored today's video, but provided both of the beautiful brown sneakers you'll see me rocking throughout today's lookbook. Those of you who are unaware of Koio, they make premium sneakers with versatile style, impeccable quality, and great design. And that includes both of the models you see in today's video, starting with the Capri Mocha. Now, I already own 7 or 8 pair of Koio sneakers already, but these are my latest and might be my favorite. Look at these beautiful monochromatic dark brown sneakers. As you can see, these are crafted from buttery full-grain calfskin leather, and of course they come in Koio's timeless Capri silhouette. And made in Italy with vegetable tan vachetta leather uppers, and they're also lined with a buttery soft, smooth calfskin leather as well. For traction and durability, you have the industry standard outsole, the Margam outsole. And I love the extra details that Koio sneakers come with. These are finished with hand-painted edges, hand brushed with specialty waxes and oil. And the second pair you see me rocking in today's lookbook are ones that I've had a while longer and I wear all the time, the Capri Castagnas. These are made with the same beautiful Italian full-grain calfskin leather. And of course, the same buttery soft leather lining. These are a pair of sneakers you guys asked me about all the time, very popular on the channel. When it comes to a premium luxury sneaker with a timeless silhouette and the best materials, you definitely can't go wrong with Koio. Make sure you hit the link in the description, check out their full line of beautiful sneakers, and grab a pair too for yourself. Now for our third look of the day, I wanted to give you a warm weather classic look when rocking the brown sneakers, and when I definitely might be tempted to wear a pair of brown loafers. As this time we're going back to the dark brown mocha sneakers and rocking it with a pair of cotton trousers. Now nothing says a classic warm weather look than a nice pair of trousers, cotton that is, and a simple polo shirt. And I love the combination of green and brown, as we have this nice heather green polo in combination with the dark brown sneakers. And a couple of my other favorite color combinations happen to be green and gray and brown, as we illustrate in this look. This is a great, cool, casual summer look, one I definitely can see me rocking on a warm summer date night. Once again, the versatility of a great pair of minimal brown sneakers. These dark brown ones go very well with green. Cool, casual, and relaxed, a great summertime look. Can't go wrong with the brown sneakers, a pair of cotton trousers, and a polo. Now for our third look, I said that might be a good summer date night look. But for this fourth look, we're gonna show you how to rock the brown sneakers with an outfit I think will work great for a cool weather fall date night look. As this time we have the dark brown sneakers with a pair of brown trousers. Now in this look, I wanted to show you guys who are resistant to suits just how versatile they can be, especially when you wear them as separates. These trousers are actually some lightweight suit trousers from one of my favorite double-breasted suits, but broken up here for a more casual look. And I love them in combinations with this great navy striped sweater I picked up from Express not too long ago. One of my favorite color combinations, navy and brown. And these trousers definitely look great with these dark brown sneakers. A great way to dress down a pair of suit trousers. You definitely can't go wrong matching these brown sneakers, these brown trousers, and the navy striped sweater. And last but certainly not least, for our fifth and final look in our lookbook on how to rock those brown sneakers, I wanted to show you just how well they go with your favorite pair of Chinos. As in this look, we switch back to the Castagnas, the light brown sneakers, and rock them with a pair of stone Chinos. To me, this is a great late summer, early fall look, especially when you pair it with one of my favorite and underrated style of shirts, this linen band collar shirt. Love the contrast of the stone Chinos with the brown sneakers. And like I mentioned in the earlier look, love the combination of brown and blue, as we have with this light blue linen shirt and the brown sneakers. Whether we're talking late spring, summer, or early fall, linen is a fabric that always comes through in the clutch. This is an outfit that I think will look great on a wide range of guys. Start picking up those band collar shirts. If you want another great way to rock a pair of brown sneakers, you definitely can't go wrong rocking them with one of your favorite pair of Chinos. Okay, so there you have it. My lookbook showing you 5 different ways how you can rock those brown sneakers. Make sure you let me know in the comment section what your favorite look was. Once again, I want to thank today's video sponsor, Koio. Make sure you hit that link in the description and pick yourself up a pair or two of some of the most beautiful luxury Italian sneakers you can find. As always, I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, hit that like button. Helps the channel to grow. And of course, tap the notification bell so you don't miss any of the videos we release every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday at 4 p.m. Eastern. And I'll check you out the next time.